Greetings, Yamada. This is Illuminating Light. How you guys feeling? We are here again, sharing and shining light. We are shining light on many things under the sun, including health, wellness, self-care, beauty, and fitness. But today we are sharing a Açaí smoothie. I've made a video on this before and it was my first time trying it. So today I'm going to show you a more advanced, which means that I'm more experienced in the Açaí. You can make Açaí bowls. I'm sure you guys have heard of that, but I got this at Walmart and it's really good. I've used it a few times now. You can see this bag is just about gone, but I have fallen in love with this, so I thought this would be an amazing thing to share. So I'm sharing it with you guys today. So that's what our smoothie is about. All right, guys, let's talk about it. Now, in this smoothie, we're gonna add almond milk, banana, which I'll get in a moment, and this is agave nectar. A lot of people use this instead of raw cane sugar, and I know in my last few videos I've used the raw cane sugar, but this is much better than the raw cane sugar, so I am trying to advance, or I am advancing. And I used to use stuff like this a lot, because different companies make them. This is the one in the raw, and normally I do the cane sugar in the raw, made by the same company, but just changing it up a little bit. So here it is. That's the next thing we're going to be using. Today I'm using something totally different. This is my first time trying this almond butter. It was really inexpensive. I got it at Target the other day and I just wanted to try it. So we're going to put this in there as well. And blueberries, you guys. Now, blueberries, these blueberries, I got these from Dollar Tree. And you already know that's very inexpensive. So just to make a smoothie for yourself in the morning, it doesn't cost a whole lot. Normally this stuff will last you days. This almond milk, I got it from Walmart and it's full, but it lasts for days. So you can make yourself every morning that self-care smoothie just for you in the morning, or somebody else. So I'm going to add a banana as the first thing that we're going to add today. And you guys don't have to make a smoothie out of this. You can actually, they have cacao videos on YouTube, cacao bowls. I mean, not cacao, it's Açaí. That's what this video is about, the Açaí smoothie. So they have Açaí bowls, and I haven't tried it just yet, but that'll be our next video. So I put the banana in first, and now I'm going to add the blueberries, and I'm going to probably use all of these blueberries that's in here. Well, no, I'm not. I'm going to use some of them. And you just pull them right in. These was frozen. Be careful, you guys. I'm looking into these blueberries and they come from Dollar Tree. But they have some stems in here. So I'm gonna try to get the ones that don't have stems. I did not know that. I should have put these out beforehand. I used these blueberries before, and the ones I used before, they didn't have any stems. I'm really trying to get half of the bag at least. If I can do that, that would be good. think they have it. Okay. And the next thing we're going to add in is the almond butter. This is my first time using this almond butter, so I am excited about how it's going to taste. You know what? Before I add the almond butter, let me just add the milk, because I notice whenever I add the almond butter to my smoothies, if I don't have the milk in there for some reason, this almond butter will stick all on the sides. So, but if you add the fluid in there first, that'll make it where it stick on the side less. So let's get this almond butter out. Put it in this smoothie. And you don't have to get the packaged almond butter. They have some in a container. And you can just use like a spoon, a teaspoon, or however much you want. Because sometimes I use a little more than a teaspoon. I'm not even gonna lie. Okay, we got that almond butter in there. And next we're gonna add the agave nectar. And you really don't have to add much because the milk has a sweetener and also the blueberries are sweet. So the last thing we're going to add is the acai powder. I think I got enough in here for at least 2 more smoothies. Well, 1 after this one. Alright, now we're going to put our top on, and this is a personal cup. These are good to travel with if you're just going to the next state, or if you're going to Hawaii, anywhere. These are good, and you can put these, this is how it comes. You can put this in your suitcase, that way you don't have to worry about not having a blender. You have a blender with you at all times. At least that's what we do. Alright, we're going to set this in and let this blend. Doesn't take that long. Do you guys see how pretty that turned out? Now, in my first smoothie video for the acai, it wasn't purple, and I was trying to figure out why this smoothie isn't purple, because all the pictures that I seen online, they were all purple and so pretty and had all these fruits and stuff, and I was trying to get mine purple, but I figured it out, you guys. What it is the blueberries, or you can use mixed fruits. I even seen a aqua color one. It was really pretty. I'm gonna try that too. So let's taste this. It's actually perfect. I was thinking that maybe I need to add a little more sweetener, but it's good, you guys. So that's it for our smoothie video. This smoothie is for the morning, or I wouldn't say morning, because we're not morning about anything. This smoothie is to get us started in our day. Also, this is the acai smoothie, and you can make a acai bowl with this same powder. And you can add fruits. Most people put the little fruits right on top and put it in a bowl. Put it in the bowl and then add the fruits on top. But I'm just trying it right now as a smoothie. I'm getting ready to go take care of clients, so this is going to be a perfect breakfast. So this is illuminated light, sharing and shining light. And remember, you guys, speak words of light in your life every day. Whenever you say I am, whatever comes after that is what you become. Let's stay woke, you guys. This is illuminated light, sharing and shining light. I hope you guys have a good day. Peace and love.